Brr. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Lifestyle. Is it cold where you are? Because I am freezing today.
Hi guys, yes, it is officially winter season. My nose and toes are cold, and I am currently wearing about 5 shirts.
Only 5? That is rookie number, Sam. Today, we are talking about exactly that. We are talking about winter clothes.
This is a very important topic. If you live in a cold country or if you plan to travel to a snowy place, you need to know how to describe what you are wearing.
You don't want to just say, I wear a coat. That is boring. We want you to talk about fabrics, styles, and the special verbs we use for getting dressed.
Like looking like a marshmallow. Is that a fashion style?
We will talk about that later. But first, here is our specific goal for today. By the end of this video, you will be able to describe your winter outfit in full sentences, not just list words. You will be able to say, I bundled up in my puffer jacket, instead of just coat.
That is the difference between a beginner and a pro.
So, if you are ready to get warm and cozy with some new vocabulary, hit that subscribe button right now.
And hit the like button if you hate having cold feet.
Let's start with the most important verb for winter. When it is very, very cold outside, you don't just get dressed. You bundle up.
Bundle up. I love this phrase. It sounds like you are making yourself into a little package, a bundle.
Exactly. To bundle up means to put on many warm clothes to protect yourself from the cold. Parents always tell their kids, make sure you bundle up before you go outside.
I bundled up because it was snowing. It implies you are wearing a hat, scarf, gloves, everything.
And how do we bundle up? We do it by layering or layering up.
Layers. This is the secret to survival. You don't just wear one big thing. You wear many thin things, like an onion.
Like an onion. You have your base layer, which touches your skin, then your mid layer, like a sweater, and finally your outer layer, like a coat.
So if I walk into a warm shop, I can take off the outer layer, peel the onion.
Exactly. You can say, it's freezing today, so I'm going to layer up.
I am wearing 4 layers on right now.
And a quick grammar note here. We usually use the present continuous. Say, I am wearing layers, not I wear layers, because you are doing it right now.
Good tip. I am wearing layers, not I wear.
Now let's talk about that base layer, the secret weapon of winter. We often call this thermal underwear, or simply thermals.
Or my favorite funny name for them, long johns.
Yes, long johns. These are the long pants and long sleeve shirts you wear under your normal clothes.
They are not sexy, let's be honest. Long johns look funny, but they save your life. I am wearing my long johns today.
Make sure you pack your thermals. It's essential vocabulary. Now let's move to the outer layer, the coat.
Not all coats are the same. We have the puffer jacket.
The puffer jacket. This is the coat that has sections filled with feathers or synthetic material.
This is the marshmallow look. When you wear a big puffer jacket, you look like the Michelin Man, but you are so warm.
It is very trendy right now. Then we have the parka.
A parka is usually longer, goes down to your knees, and often has fur on the hood. It is for a serious cold.
If you are going to the Arctic, or maybe just Chicago in January, you need a parka.
I need to buy a new parka for my trip to Canada.
And for a more fashionable city look, we have the wool coat.
A wool coat is stylish, but be careful. If it gets wet, it smells like a wet dog.
That is true. Wool is warm, but a puffer is usually waterproof.
Let's practice these core items. Repeat after me. I need to bundle up.
I need to bundle up.
Fast. I need to bundle up.
I need to bundle up.
Slow. I am wearing layers today.
I am wearing layers today.
Fast. I'm wearing layers today.
I'm wearing layers today.
Slow. I love my new puffer jacket.
I love my new puffer jacket.
Fast. I love my new puffer jacket.
I love my new puffer jacket.
Awesome. Now, let's talk about accessories, the things that keep your extremities warm.
Let's start with the head. In the US, we usually call the knit hat a beanie.
A beanie. It fits tightly on your head. And if it has a little fluffy ball on top?
That is a pom-pom. I like your beanie with the pom-pom. It makes you look cute.
Now for the neck. You wear a scarf. But if it is very big and thick, we call it a chunky scarf.
Chunky. That is a great adjective. I wrapped up in a chunky scarf. It feels like a hug for your neck.
And for the hands, we have two types. Gloves have separate fingers.
You can text with gloves, you can hold your coffee.
And then we have mittens. Mittens have no separate fingers. Your fingers are all together.
Mittens are warmer because your fingers share body heat, but you cannot do anything. You look like a baby bear.
I can't answer my phone because I'm wearing mittens. It is a real problem.
Now, before we continue to footwear, let's do a quick goal reminder.
Yes, pause for the goal.
Remember, by the end of this video, we want you to speak in sentences. Don't just point and say gloves. Say, I am putting on my gloves. Use the verbs.
Connect the words. That is the secret to fluency.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about feet. You don't wear sneakers in the snow. You wear boots.
Winter boots or snow boots, they need to be waterproof.
Waterproof means water cannot get inside. Wet socks are the worst feeling in the world.
It is a tragedy, so you need thick socks or fuzzy socks.
Fuzzy socks are soft and hairy, usually inside the house.
Now, let's talk about how the clothes feel. We mentioned chunky for the scarf, but what if something is very soft and warm? We say it is cozy.
This sweater is so cozy, or a great word is snug.
Snug, S-N-U-G. It means tight, but in a comfortable, warm way. I feel snug in my bed.
Or these boots are a bit snug. That might mean they are a little too tight, but usually it implies warmth. Snug as a bug in a rug.
That is a classic idiom, snug as a bug in a rug. It means you are perfectly comfortable.
And what if something hurts your skin, like a cheap wool sweater? We say it is itchy.
Itchy. Scratch, scratch, scratch. I hate this scarf. It is so itchy.
Nobody likes itchy clothes. Let's practice these adjectives. Repeat after me. Slow. These mittens are so cozy.
These mittens are so cozy.
Fast. These mittens are so cozy.
These mittens are so cozy.
Perfect. Now I think we have enough vocabulary to build an outfit.
We have the layers, the outerwear, and the feelings. Let's put it together in a role play.
We are going to do 3 scenes. Scene 1, we are getting ready to go out into a snowstorm.
A snowstorm. Okay, I need to survive.
Sam, are you ready to go? The taxi is waiting.
Almost. I'm just layering up. It is freezing out there.
Did you put on your thermals?
Yes, I have my long johns on and a t-shirt and a sweater. Now I need my outer layer.
You should wear your big blue parka. It's the warmest one.
Good idea. And I need to bundle up with accessories. Where is my chunky scarf?
It's right here. And don't forget your gloves.
Actually, I'm taking my mittens. My hands get too cold in gloves.
Okay, you look like a giant blue bear. You are definitely bundled up.
I am snug as a bug. Let's go. I felt very warm in that scene.
You looked very warm. We recycled layering up, thermals, long johns, parka, bundle up, chunky scarf, and mittens.
That is a lot of winter words in one conversation.
Now, scene 2. We are at a coffee shop complaining about our fashion choices.
Complaining? I am good at that.
Wow, it is nice and warm in here. I need to take off some layers.
Me too. This puffer jacket is great outside, but inside I am sweating.
I love your beanie, by the way. The pom-pom is very cute.
Thanks, but honestly, it is a little bit itchy. My forehead is going crazy.
That's the worst. Wool is warm, but it's so itchy.
I think I need to buy a fleece hat instead. Fleece is softer.
Definitely. But at least you look stylish.
Stylish but scratching. That is my winter look.
Stylish but scratching. I think we've all been there. We used puffer jacket, beanie, pom-pom, itchy, and layers.
And we mentioned fleece. Fleece is a synthetic fabric that is very soft and warm. It is the opposite of itchy.
Yes, fleece is a great word to know. Now, scene 3. We are shopping for boots.
Shoe shopping, my favorite sport.
What do you think of these brown boots?
They look nice. Are they waterproof?
The label says water resistant.
No, you need 100% waterproof for the snow. Otherwise, you get wet socks.
True. What about these black ones? Try them on.
Okay. Struggling sounds. They are very tight.
Are they too small?
Yeah, they are a bit too snug. I can't move my toes.
Try a size up. You need room for your thick socks.
Good point. Tries again. Okay, these fit perfectly, and they are fuzzy inside.
Sold.
Fuzzy boots are the dream.
We recycled waterproof, snug, and thick socks.
Also, that was good advice. Always buy winter boots a little big so you can wear thick socks.
Exactly. Practical English and practical life advice. Now, before we hit the speed round, I want to talk about one very common mistake.
Yes, this is our safety tip for today. It is about small words.
A lot of learners say, I am wearing a jacket, or I am wearing a hat.
It sounds almost correct, but it is unnatural. In English, singular nouns need an article or a possessive.
You need a or my, so don't say I am wearing a coat. Say I am wearing a coat.
Or if it belongs to you, say I am wearing my coat.
She is wearing a beanie. He is wearing his gloves.
Just don't leave the word alone. Don't say I wear shoes. Say I wear a shoe.
Well, preferably shoes, plural, Sam. But yes, the rule is important.
Got it. Use a or my. Don't let the noun be lonely.
Excellent tip. Now, are you ready to test your memory? Speed round time.
I am ready. Test me.
I describe it, you shout it, loudly.
Let's go.
To dress in many warm clothes to protect from the cold. Bundle up. Wearing a t-shirt, then a sweater, then a coat. Layering or layering up. The long underwear you wear as a base layer. Thermals or long johns. A jacket that looks puffy like a marshmallow.
Puffer jacket.
A hat with a ball on top.
Beanie with a pom-pom.
A scarf that is big and thick.
Chunky scarf.
Hand warmers with no separate fingers.
Mittens.
Hand warmers with separate fingers.
Gloves.
When a fabric hurts your skin.
Itchy.
When clothes feel tight but warm and comfortable.
Snug or cozy.
The grammar rule. I wear a coat or I am wearing a coat.
I am wearing a coat.
Wow, you froze the competition. You did great.
I am on fire. Well, metaphorically. Actually, I'm bundled up.
Now we have a challenge for you. A speaking challenge.
Yes, we want you to use these words right now.
Here are the instructions. Step 1. Pause the video.
Step 2. Look at what you are wearing right now, or imagine your winter outfit. Describe it out loud. Say, I layered up with, or I feel snug as a bug in a rug because...
Step 3. Write exactly what you said in the comments below.
So, pause, speak, write.
Ready? Pause in 3, 2, 1, go.
Did you do it? Are you wearing long johns? Be honest.
Tell us in the comments. We want to know your winter style. Are you a puffer jacket person or a wool coat person?
Or are you a shorts in winter person? If you are crazy, but tell us anyway.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. Stay warm, stay cozy, and keep practicing.
Don't forget to bundle up. See you next time.
Bye.